Hi, this is Dansoy, amateur cook, aka Batman in the Kitchen. Welcome to the Food Zone, where we take this journey together, learning recipes as one. Today we have a really good salad that's both healthy and quick. It's from South Carolina. We're going to make the barbecue South Carolina crunchy salad, and it uses golden barbecue sauce from South Carolina. So for today's recipe, we need these thin carrots like matchsticks, cheddar cheese, baby spinach, potato sticks, roasted chicken of your choice. There's that golden barbecue sauce from South Carolina, and there's barbecue seasoning, and we're gonna need 2 mixing bowls. And like I said, this recipe doesn't take long, so let's put some of this stuff aside right now, and we'll work with the chicken, the seasoning, and the barbecue sauce. Alright, so we have the mixing bowl, we have that chicken, the golden barbecue sauce, like I said, from South Carolina, and the barbecue seasoning. So just take your chicken and pour that into the bowl, and take some of the barbecue seasoning and mix that in there. Then the thing you're going to want to do is just take a fork and just mix that around. And if you have to, add some more of the barbecue seasoning. Alright, so we used the fork to mix that in there. We have the seasoning in there. Now we're gonna just drizzle some of this barbecue sauce in there. And you can find this golden barbecue sauce in a lot of places, so just mix this up. If you need so, add more barbecue sauce. If not, leave it as is. Alright, YouTube and Facebook, so we mixed in that golden barbecue sauce from the Carolina. Sorry, these are 2 days that the recording's off a bit, but we mixed that in there, and we're gonna actually put that aside, and we're gonna take our mixing bowl, our large mixing bowl, and that's where we're gonna add the spinach and the other stuff. Be back. Alright, so let that chicken marinate in that golden barbecue sauce and the barbecue seasoning. Next we're going to go to the mixing bowl, this one, and we're going to add some spinach, carrots, and cheddar cheese. So throw in some spinach, throw in some carrots, and you be the judge of what you want in there, and add some cheese. And the thing you're going to want to do is just mix this up, and then decide what mixture you want, how much spinach you want, how much carrots, how much cheese. After we get to the point where you decide what's best for you, just keep tossing. Then we'll add the chicken in there, and then we'll mix the chicken and that together, and then we'll plate it, and we'll put the potato sticks on top. And that's really a quick recipe. I think it can be done in 5 minutes, maybe even 3. Alright, YouTube and Facebook, we're done. I added the amount of spinach, carrots, and cheese that I wanted. Now we're going to take this chicken and just toss that in there. You can see the colors now. So the thing you're going to want to do is just mix this chicken in, get it all in there, and then once like that, we're going to plate it. You could plate it or put it in a bowl, and then we'll top it with those potato sticks. This makes for an interesting salad because you have that golden barbecue sauce, the vegetables, the carrots. It's both sweet, crunchy, a little bit sour, but it tastes good. Alright, YouTube and Facebook. You can see that it's all mixed together. And it has the barbecue sauce in there. So now we're just gonna put it on a plate and top it with those potato sticks, and then we're done. Alright, Facebook and YouTube. There's the salad. Now you can take these potato sticks and you can add that in there. That's what'll make it really crunchy. So this is how you make that salad in 3 to 5 minutes. So thanks for visiting my page. Can you please hit subscribe, hit the bell, share this recipe with your friends and family. This is how you make a 3 to 5 minute barbecue South Carolina crunchy salad. Talk to you soon. I'll bring you 3 to 5 updates a week. Peace, love you, Dansoy.